Choosing the right real estate agent is one of the most important decisions you'll make when buying a home. The right agent can make the entire process smooth and enjoyable, while the wrong one can add unnecessary stress. In this lesson, we're diving into why having an agent matters, what to look for, and how to pick the one who's the best fit for you. Let's start with why having an agent is so important. Buying a home involves many moving parts: negotiating offers, handling contracts, coordinating inspections, and so much more. A real estate agent acts as your advocate, guiding you through each step and making sure your best interests are always the priority. Agents bring local knowledge to the table. They can connect you to properties that meet your needs and negotiate on your behalf to make sure you're getting the best deal possible. And here's an important point to remember: agents work for you. Their job is to protect your interests and ensure a smooth, successful transaction.